You probably want to tone your hair, right? I've been using the Fanola No Orange Blue Shampoo for like about 4 years, and I'm here to tell you how to tone your hair at home, how to not have brassy hair just like mine, and why it's worth it. So as you guys know, I'm always dyeing my hair at home. If you see my hair now, I have naturally like light brown hair, but right now I do have some highlights, and I have tons and tons of videos for you to go watch if you want to do highlights at home. But this video specifically is about how to tone your hair at home. Like I said, I've been dyeing my hair for years by myself, and I noticed that my hair would turn orange and just a really unlikable color, right? Lo and behold, 3 or 4 years ago, this really famous app came about, which is TikTok, and I searched there, right? I just knew I wanted to try it. I bit the bullet. It was like quarantine around that time, like 2020, and I was desperate. My hair was orange, and these results were literally out of this world. And I'm like, what's the worst that can happen, right? My hair can fall out, I guess. My hair can turn green. I used it. I've never turned back. And this is a product that I use especially when I just recently dyed my hair. So I have just recently dyed my hair, and yeah, this is just a way for me to upkeep my hair. I know that if you go to salons just for toning, it can be just as expensive if you go like to color it, and I think literally you can do it yourself. Ever since I found out about this brand, it's been life-changing, and I feel like you guys can see my hair. Like my hair speaks for itself. It doesn't look orangey at all. It looks very like natural. And let me tell you, for me to do my hair by myself, be bleaching my hair, because this is bleach, my hair, you know, does turn orange, but when I use the shampoo, the orange goes away. This is the Fanola No Orange Shampoo. The brand is Fanola, just how you see it there, and it is their anti-orange shampoo, and basically it is like a very dark indigo color. I actually left some here on purpose so you guys can see just how dark this thing gets. They do recommend for you to use gloves. I'm gonna be honest, I strictly do use it with gloves, but if there's times where I just don't find gloves, I go ahead and do it without them. My hands turn like a very light baby blue, but if you just wash your hands with some type of oil or soap, they will come out. Because I literally did my hair yesterday and with no gloves, and look, I have no residue left. The recommended time for this to stay in your hair is 1 to 5 minutes. I put this on dry hair, so I go ahead, and when I know I'm gonna wash my hair, typically my hair is very oily. I just like to leave my hair very oily. I feel like those natural oils in your hair really do give life to your hair, and it's just natural oils that your hair do need. So what I do is I go ahead and put this on dry hair, and I leave it on for about 30 minutes. I'd say 15 minutes if I don't have a lot of time, 30 to 45 minutes if I have time, and the results every single time are breathtaking. My family, friends, my boyfriend, they think I've gone to the salon and I've, you know, spent money on toning my hair, but no, it's just literally Fanola. And I know this video is gonna sound sponsored, but I promise it's not. I do have a video that I'm gonna put here. It has over 300k views, and my last video I said the same thing, but I feel like this product definitely deserves like a standalone video just because of how amazing it is. Also use an additional shampoo on top of this one, just because I feel like this is like my color correction shampoo. I have my cleansing shampoo, and then I'll go ahead with a deep conditioner. I always use a deep conditioner when using these products, just because I feel like, you know, it is altering the color of your hair, and I typically always need moisture. Like my hair is very oily in the scalp, but then when it comes down to the ends, my hair is very dry. If you visit their website, Fanola has a line for every single type of hair color. I typically go with the no orange just because my hair is a little bit on the darker side, and it has a little bit of blonde with the highlights. But you know, as you guys know, typically there's like a purple shampoo, and purple shampoo is typically for a hair color like this. It's more like the blondier, like icy color blonde. The no orange shampoo is typically for hair like mine. It's a little bit on the darker side, and it's gonna help with those, like it says here, the copper and the red colors. If you guys don't know, there's typically like a color wheel that hairstylists typically use in order to decide on which type of toner you guys would use. Purple cancels out like yellow, which is why there's always like a purple shampoo, and then a blue shampoo, it cancels out the orange, which is why it's good for if your hair's turning a little bit on the orange side. The reason why I say that I use this with dry hair or like on my dry hair is just because when I used it like in the shower, I feel like I was diluting the product, and I was curious, like it did work because it did line my hair, but then I was curious as in what if I put it on dry hair, and you know, it's just the product itself. I ended up buying the shampoo right on their website, and I did end up buying the biggest bottle. This is the 1000 millimeter bottle. It's pretty big, and let me tell you, you're gonna get a lot of use of this. I have had this bottle for like maybe more than a year. I should probably check the expiration date, but let me tell you, it lasts a whole year. And the prices do vary, and they do come in like a skinnier bottle, which obviously is cheaper. This is the biggest bottle, which is a little bit more expensive, and I'm sure they sell it on Amazon as well, but I typically do go on their website to purchase it. I've only purchased this maybe out of the 4 years that I've been using this, maybe twice. So it does last a bit. And I still have like more, maybe like half left. I feel like it still has like a good use amount in it. I do want to say that I usually only use this once a week. I only wash my hair once a week, so that's when I use this. If I feel like my hair has a really nice tone to it and I just feel like it doesn't need like any correcting that week, or you know, for the next weeks, then I won't use this, because you have to remember this is lifting in a way like your hair color, and I don't know if lifting is the correct word, right? Because this is not like hair dye. Either way, I do use this whenever I wash my hair, which is not very often. Like I said, I only wash my hair like once a week. And again, you can find it on their website. So I hope you guys try it out. I do want to say I am not a professional, but I do recommend this 100%. I've been using it for years, and I am going to be having my videos here just so you guys can take a look of the other videos that I have of me using this step by step if you're really interested. There are other brands out there and I've used plenty of them, but this is the only one that I feel like has really worked, just by the color and how deep it is, and obviously the end result, because I feel like the end result is it's what's going to keep you going back to this product, right? You don't want to use a product that's going to be leaving your hair like very mistreated. As you guys can see, once again, my hair is always soft, and I never feel like, oh, I don't want to use this certain product because, you know, it like messes up my hair. No, never. Other than that, it's honestly the total opposite. My hair always feels very healthy, the way that it's supposed to. And yeah, the website also tells you what type of like shampoo you should use or not, which type of shampoo would work best for you. So if you have any questions, definitely even visit like their social media pages. They're very helpful. I do want to add that when I first found out about them, asked some questions, and they themselves recommended me this one, just because I have more brown hair and I am more like a brunette than blonde. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I definitely feel like you guys should definitely give this a try. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you've been looking for like a way to tone your hair at home, or just to get rid of like some colors that you don't really like, and honestly I feel like let's get rid of, if you're blonde or if you have any type of blonde in your hair, you most likely will need one of these products. And if you're in a hair salon, the hair salons will most likely try to make you buy their products, but you should definitely do your research, because this is a brand that I definitely do recommend. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's totally free. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.